Matthew Perry, Matt LeBlanc, and David Schwimmer weren't invited to Jennifer Aniston's wedding to Justin Theroux. However, Courtney Cox and Lisa Kudrow were. Also not invited to the wedding was Gerard Butler, her co-star in The Bounty Hunter, or Jason Bateman, whom she starred in 3 movies with, including the 2 really bad Horrible Boss movies. Since when was it necessary to invite all your old co-workers to your wedding? Ronda Rousey said she could beat Floyd Mayweather in an anything goes fight. During a Reddit Ask Me chat, she said Mayweather would beat her in a boxing match, but in an anything goes where Mayweather has his hands tied behind his back and she has access to all sorts of weapons and tools like a ferocious tiger and tons of Vaseline, she could totally win. Eventually. A 20-year-old kid from Switzerland was having trouble getting his dad to take notice of his car problems. You see, his $245,000 Ferrari that he got last year just wasn't cutting it. So he told his daddy he needed a new one. But tragically, he wouldn't pay for it. So he paid 3 friends $15,000 to set his current one on fire. He and his friends were caught, and his friends got 1.5 years in the slammer, and all he had to do was pay a $30,000 fine. That's what's trending online. To find out what's trending throughout the day, go to ForgiveCelebs.com. I'm Brian Sims.